Since when did my alarm clock join the Sinister Six? The device is gone. Airlock plug runs again. Jimmy, it's not you. Spider-Man, half asleep, groaning around the room 5 more minutes. He slams snooze. The alarm clock transforms into a little villain with legs running around the room shouting, "Wake up! Wake up!" Spider-Man, changing it with webs. Since when did my alarm clock join the Sinister Six? Alarm clock keeps dodging his webs, bouncing around like a mini boss fight. Spider-Man finally. Pah! That's what you get for ruining Spidey's nap. He sighs in relief, then hears J. Jonah Jameson yelling from a TV in the background, "Spider-Man! Lazy man in his sleeps while city suffers." Spider-Man, facepalm stag, has better PR than me. Cut to black, Spider-Man versus alarm clock. Who wins?